Spa spending, more than you think. Did you know Americans spend billions on spas every year? That's right, billions. From luxurious treatments to serene environments, spas offer an escape from the daily grind. But have you ever stopped to think about how much all this relaxation is costing you? Spas promise relaxation and luxury. They offer a variety of services, from massages and facials to hydrotherapy and aromatherapy. These services are designed to rejuvenate your body and mind, providing a much-needed break from the stresses of everyday life. But those spa days can get expensive. A single visit can set you back hundreds of dollars, and regular visits can quickly add up. The cost of treatments, tips, and even the products they use can make a significant dent in your wallet. Why not create a spa experience right in your own bathroom? With a few simple changes, you can transform your bathroom into a personal sanctuary. Imagine soaking in a warm bath surrounded by candles with soft music playing in the background. It's easier than you think. Start by gathering some affordable spa essentials like bath salts, essential oils, and plush towels. You can even make your own face masks and scrubs using ingredients you already have at home. You can have a relaxing retreat without spending a fortune. By investing in a few key items, you can create a spa-like atmosphere that rivals even the most luxurious resorts. Plus, you get to enjoy it whenever you want, without the need for an appointment. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Add some greenery with potted plants and use candles or diffusers to fill the air with calming scents. Soft lighting and soothing music can also enhance the ambiance, making your bathroom a true retreat. It's all about creating a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere. The right environment can help you unwind and de-stress, providing the same benefits as a professional spa visit. And the best part? You can customize it to your liking. And the best part? You can do it on a budget. With a little creativity and some smart shopping, you can create a luxurious spa experience at home without breaking the bank. So why not give it a try and see how relaxing your own bathroom can be? Imagine this, a long hot bath. The warm water envelops you, soothing every muscle in your body. You feel the tension of the day slowly dissolve. Soothing scents fill the air. The gentle aroma of lavender and eucalyptus calms your mind. Your worries melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and tranquility. This can be your bathroom. With a few thoughtful touches, you can transform your space into a personal retreat. Your bathroom should be your sanctuary. Soft lighting, natural elements, and a clutter-free environment can make a world of difference. It's a place to unwind after a long day. Whether it's a full bath or just soaking your feet, the experience can be incredibly rejuvenating. Creating a spa-like atmosphere at home has many benefits. It's not just about luxury, it's about self-care and well-being. It can reduce stress and improve your mood. Taking time for yourself in a serene environment can have a profound impact on your mental health. A spa-like bathroom can also help you sleep better. The relaxation you feel carries over, making it easier to drift into a deep, restful sleep. And who doesn't want a better night's sleep? Investing in your bathroom is investing in your overall well-being. Make it a sanctuary where you can escape, relax, and rejuvenate. Let's face it, most bathrooms aren't very relaxing. Harsh lighting can be a real downer. Clutter and cramped spaces can make you feel stressed, not zen. And let's not forget about those dingy colors. These common bathroom woes can really dampen your mood. But don't worry, we've got solutions. With a few simple changes, you can transform your bathroom from drab to fab. Section 4. Budget-friendly bliss, easy spa upgrades. Creating a spa-like bathroom doesn't have to break the bank. Start with soft, warm lighting. Ditch those harsh overhead lights. Use dimmer switches or candles for a cozy glow. Next, add some aromatherapy. Lavender and chamomile are great for relaxation. Use essential oil diffusers or scented candles. Finally, bring in some fluffy towels and a comfy bathrobe. Now you're ready to relax. Section 5. The green touch plants for a tranquil oasis. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and feeling an immediate sense of calm and relaxation. That's the magic of adding plants to your space. Want to know the most impactful change? Add plants. They are not just decorative elements, they are living, breathing companions that can transform the entire ambiance of your bathroom. Plants bring life and freshness into your bathroom. Their vibrant green hues and natural textures can make even the smallest bathroom feel like a lush, inviting retreat. They purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. Imagine the soothing effect of clean, fresh air as you unwind in your personal oasis. Plants like peace lilies and spider plants are excellent for this purpose. Choose plants that thrive in humid environments like ferns or orchids. These plants love the moisture and warmth of a bathroom, making them perfect companions for your daily routines. Place them on shelves, the counter, or even the bathtub ledge. Get creative with your placement to maximize the visual impact and create a cohesive green theme throughout the space. Plants are a simple yet powerful way to transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. The presence of greenery can make your bathroom feel more luxurious and inviting, turning everyday routines into moments of relaxation. And the best part is, they're affordable and easy to care for. Many indoor plants require minimal maintenance, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. So, why not start your journey to a tranquil oasis today with the addition of some beautiful green plants?